guys, what is up? It's your girl Rachel with Nighttime Mommy Reviews, and today we're going to be making a delicious, juicy, lemon peppered pork chops made right in our Ninja Foodi grill using the grill settings. So we're grilling these bad boys, and you guys, they're so good. So that's what we're going to be doing today. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more videos on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. If you're interested in any of the items that I used today in the video, be sure to check the description box below. But let's go ahead and dive right in. To get started, what you're going to want are 4 pork chops, and I'm using pork loin chops, and I have 4 of them. You'll also want 2 teaspoons of lemon pepper seasoning, and what I'm using is the Lori's lemon pepper seasoning. Also, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, and then I have juice of half of a lemon. So this was about 1 tablespoon of lemon, and I just used my little juicer friend here just so that it takes away the seeds. So we're gonna go ahead and get started, but this is what we'll need today. So I have all 4 of my pork chops in my bowl. They're bone-in pork chops, and they're about 1/2 inch thick, so you can see. And what we're gonna do is simply just add all of the ingredients together and start mixing it and adding it to our pork chops here. So I'll add all our juice and our oil, and then we can rub it onto them. And just give me one moment. All right. So I like to just mix all my seasonings together so that when I pour it on, we're not having clumps of salt in one area. So just use my fingers here. And then just season all of the pork chops evenly. Do this to all of them. Add seasoning where you need. And then what you're going to want to do is allow it to rest for about 1/2 hour. At least marinate for 1/2 hour so that it absorbs that lemon juice and the lemon pepper really takes to the pork chop there. Let's see, I'm going to use the last of it here. And then we can come back and preheat the grill and carry on with our delicious lemon pepper pork chops. Alright, I'm going to finish seasoning, but we'll be back. Alright, so we're going to want to go ahead and turn on our grill. I'm using a grill plate along with the base pan here. We'll select grill, and then medium, and then we can add more time if we need to, and we'll preheat and be back. Alright. Now, I planned on using the thermometer probe, but I actually found out that they made the Ninja Foodi grill with a model that does not have the probe. A lot of us have the probe, but I found out that there are some users who purchased theirs from Sam's Club and somewhere else where it did not come with a probe and it had different functions. So because of that, I want to show you guys how to make it without the thermometer probe. Now I still use the thermometer probe to check the temperature at the end, but for the most part, I'm going to show you, we're going to flip it at 5 minutes. So at 5 minutes, we'll flip it and then check the temperature. Alright, so just about the 5-minute mark, and I have my thermometer probe ready to go. Oh, I love that golden color there. Okay. We'll be back in a couple minutes. So usually around the 1 minute mark is where I will check the temperature and add time if I need to, depending on the size of the meat. This is where I have an instant read thermometer. You guys, I think it was like $10 or $12 on Amazon. It's an OXO instant thermometer. And all I do is I just make sure we reach 145. Once we reach 145, pork is safe to eat, and that's 145 degrees Fahrenheit. So I just make sure that I hit that number or go a little bit higher. And it looks like we're good. So even with a minute left to go, they were ready around 8 or 9 minutes there. So just have to watch out for them. What we'll do is we have to let them rest. So similar to steak, you want to let them rest so that their juices can settle. And then we can cut into it. But you can see it is juicy. I mean, you can see the shine on it already. So we'll let the juice settle. And then we'll be back. Alright, so here we have it. We have our pork chop. I let it rest. And you guys, we're going to cut into it. I don't think I need the tongs here. I can use a fork. Oh, there I go, dropping it. Let me get another one. Alright, so just show you guys how juicy. And you can see on the cutting board, the juices just settling there. And we'll bring this up here so you guys can see. Oh, nice and juicy. Alright, so now that we did that up close, you can see that the pork chop was tender and juicy. If you're looking to achieve that, definitely go with the medium grill setting. High makes it cook too fast and you end up with a dry pork chop. So as long as you're checking the temperature with a thermometer probe and checking it, you will end up with a juicy, tender pork chop made right in your Ninja Foodi grill. So you guys, it's that easy. Make sure you hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button if you aren't already subscribed for more videos on my channel, Nighttime Mommy Reviews. But until next time, have a great night.